Hello friends, welcome to the third detail of the day. I did 2 maintenances and now this one. This is the dealership detail. I don't even know what number it is, but I know we're creeping up on that 180 mark, so we'll look it up and see. Anyway, this is a 2012 Chevy Impala. It's gonna get everything that it would normally get. It's not that bad. It needs a good polish, I can tell you that. Ooh-wee. This interior looks actually pretty decent, and it is pretty decent. Now this back seat's got a few issues. I'm not sure about it. This carpet is wrecked. Just not sure. So I'm gonna work on that tomorrow. It was obviously a disaster detail at one time. That's crazy. Alrighty, this 2012 Chevy Impala is done. I knew it was gonna need a little bit of scratch repair, but he said don't worry about it, so we're not gonna. It cleaned up pretty well. It's got a lot of permanent damage. You can tell that this car was not taken care of. It was a disaster detail at one time. This carpet was almost black before I got to it, but I was able to pull it out. For the most part, it looks a lot better than it did. The back of the seats look a lot better, but they're still pretty messed up. And this trunk was in great shape from the get-go, so we didn't do much with it. Just a quick vacuum. Nothing fancy. So thanks for hanging out, guys. I sure appreciate it. Smash that subscribe button for me. I would love to have you. And this concludes the latest detail for the dealership. Not too bad, not too bad. I shouldn't complain, but I am. It's the woman in me.